going to do a review today on the Revlon Crimper.
Yeah.
No, it's not Revlon, it's Vidal Sassoon, whatever. Okay? But it's good.
She's fucked up. She mixed up a fucking
That's Vida. Little
hair
Vida?
product with the...
It's
Vida has the
makes 3, but it only has 2 of these little thingies.
toy, and this is Play-Doh.
Right?
Yeah. And
How many?
And, yeah.
1, 2, right? And it takes a while to heat up or whatever. But once it does heat up, it's pretty good. And this is what it looks like. Once you do it, when you do it,
just give her the strap already.
when you do it, when it's done and it's like finished work,
Oh my God.
this is the way it looks.
It
It looks beautiful, doesn't it, guys? It looks so gorgeous. Look at the roots. Oh my God, killer. That is like, this gives you nothing but glamour. Glamour is what we call it.
Glamour.
So, this is the way it looks. This is the way it looks once you crimp it. Please leave your comments at the bottom. Let me know what you think. Okay? Hold on, my battery's running low, so okay.
No, hold on.
Joke's over. 80, come here. 80. That's not really her name. Hey, ven. Córrele porque se va a morir esta madre.
Ahora dile why you talking nonsense. Show them what you're on.
Okay. This is Carolyn's. This is like another version of Bailey's, only I think it's better and the price is a lot better. Okay? And it's good. It's delicious. Yummy on the tummy.
Ay, quebro la botella. No hay
I'm
pedo.
playing, guys. This is really what it looks like. This item here, right here, which you can get for like $20, $25 or something like that. Depends where you're at.
You thief. You told me it was $100.
You get it? Of course, you gotta pay for it. Okay, this is what it really looks like, guys. Look at her hair. It looks so beautiful.
see?
Okay, look at. Okay.
Tomando piojos.
And this is or the excess oil, but
It's
it's good though, you know? It's good. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. It looks gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. Turn around.
Just
Turn
think
around.
about it because she chokes. When she
Look at this hair. Look at this hair. It looks gorgeous.
How do these things work?
Hey guys, don't miss the ass face. Don't miss the ass. The ass. The ass. Alright guys, see you guys later.
Bye,
Please,
YouTubies.
don't forget to subscribe to the box below, okay? Remember, oh no, not the box below. Is it a box? It's a box. It says
Get a
subscribe.
life, bro.
Alright?